Welcome. In front of me is a MacBook Pro from 2019, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So on the first page, let's select our region. I'm gonna stick with US. Now tap on continue. Then on the next page we can connect to Wi-Fi, which I was connected, but apparently I have to reconnect to it. So let me quickly do that. So go with this one. There we go. Then we have data privacy, just something that we have to agree to. And next page, transfer information from this Mac, so we can basically restore the device from, for instance, like an old backup from a time machine if you had an old MacBook, or just from a simple backup of just a device without the time machine. Also from a Windows, or as the last option, set it up as new, which that's what I'm gonna go with. Then we have sign in with your Apple ID, and I believe we can skip this if you don't want to connect to it. I'm gonna try at least. But basically this will allow you to later on connect to your, as you can see, iTunes, iCloud, App Store, iMessages, and I think Find My Device, and that's what it is. And we can either create one here, and I also might think that we can skip it from here or not. Okay, so apparently I don't see any way to skip it. Oh wait, no, there it is, right at the top, set up later. So if you want to do it later and you don't want to bother with it right now, you can skip it on the top. So let's skip. Then we have terms and conditions. So we have fairly long list of them, and you can read all of that if you're really interested in it. But at the end of the day, you still have to agree to it to actually be able to use your device. So step on I agree, and then create a computer account. So whatever you name right here will be the name of the account itself as a username. So I'm gonna go with okay. I believe it will take the same name, and then you have to set up a password. So I'm gonna there we go, and let's stop on continue. So there's some expert setup, and you can continue without actually customizing it, or we can go to customizing settings and it will go over all of them. So we have enable location services, and then we have select your time zone, which would, I believe, be set automatically if we didn't go through the advanced ones. So simply choose where you're from. Analytics, so share Mac Analytics with Apple, completely up to you. You can read all about it if you're interested. And then screen time, so get insights about your screen time and set limits with what? So I guess you can set up some kind of limits to using your device. I'm not exactly sure, never seen this, but yeah, moving past this, we have Siri. So enable, disable, it's completely up to you. If you don't use it, I wouldn't be really enabling it. I think it will require you to go to set up, see, to help you recognize your voice. Let's see. So hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. So as you can see, it will just listen to your voice and try to adjust adjust it to your voice, maybe accent, not really sure. I'm gonna cancel it. I don't know how long this is actually. Oops. So I'm gonna disable it for now and do it later. And then we have Touch ID, so let's continue. Now you can also set it up later if you want to, but it's also going to be an easy way to unlock your device when you're booting it up, considering we had to set a pin. So all you need to do is just tap on the power key, tap your finger, and as you can see, and there we go. I think. There we go. Continue. And then we have choose your look. So this is just a theme. You have light, dark, and both, depending I think on the time. So let's continue once you choose your theme. And then we have True Tone Display. This is just kind of like a color temperature of the display. So you can see how it looks like without it and how it looks like with it. Honestly, I think I prefer it with it. It isn't as harsh of a light. The blue just kind of seems weird. And there we go, we're finished with the setup. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.